Hi, I'm Sid, CEO and co-founder at GitLab, and we're going to talk about feature bloggers. And I'm here with Todd Barr, our Chief Marketing Officer, and we've just been discussing, we're doing a super good job, we think, in talking to enterprises about what's in GitLab. We're also doing a good job of telling what's coming up in new releases. Our release posts are well read, they're very complete, they link to issues and documentation. What's an opportunity for us is to talk more about the why of a feature. Why did we make that? How did we make that? And we're thinking about a role, and we're calling it feature blogger for now, that will live in the product management organization. And these people would follow features from start to finish. So all the way from a request to getting a feature out there. And they would write a blog post specifically about that feature. So not as part of the release post, but probably just before a release post so that the release post can link back to it. And they talk about the request, who did it come from, maybe interview those persons. They talk about the validation process that our product managers did. It talks about alternatives we considered. Talk about the designs, the UX work that went into it. Talked about how we build it, like back end, front end, like struggles we encountered, reliability concerns, how we rolled it out, feature flags and things like that. Early feedback we maybe already received at that point. So it's more of a context around the feature, not just what the feature is, but also why we thought about it, how we made it, what alternatives there were, what we're considering as our possible future path. And we think that will resonate with users of the product and hopefully also help other product managers do their job better and hopefully inform us how to do our job better. What do you think, Todd?
Yeah, I like the idea a lot. I think it has to be someone who's super close to the product management, product development process, because they're really, I think you used the word also historian, they're really documenting kind of the history of the feature, the why behind it. And actually product management in sort of the traditional sense is responsible to manage the concept, the design, the testing, the rationalization for the feature, and ultimately the development and kind of support and end of life of the feature. And having someone sitting alongside documenting that would be a great way to also help people understand how they're going to use the feature. So it would appeal to users, it would appeal to customers, and it would kind of further the transparency behind how we do product development. So I like the idea a lot.
Yeah, this part historian, it's part anthropologist almost of who's the audience. Yeah, thanks for that.
Yep.
Thanks for watching.